Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Winner's Weapon. I am yours, Lammatha Srinivasa Rao. Today, you can find a 12 by 12 magic square solution in easiest way. I believe it is the first ever easiest solution. And now, come, we'll learn and enjoy how to fill 12 by 12 magic square. First of all, we should know about 12 by 12 magic square constant. We should know about magic constant. That is a universal formula. As we know very well, already we discussed about the same. N into n square plus 1 by 2. In place of n, we have to substitute 12 to get the value 870. It is the magic constant. As you know, the magic constant k is the sum of the digits of any row of 12 rows, any column of 12 columns, or any diagonal of 2 diagonals. That you know very well. And this is the required magic square. There are 12 rows and 12 columns. Altogether, there are 144 boxes we have to fill with 1 to 144 numbers to get 870 as a magic constant. Now, before filling the magic square, we have to make it into 4 equal parts in this way. And again, each equal quadrant should be divided into 4 equal parts in this way. Now, we have to fill 1 to 144 numbers in ascending order from top left box to right bottom box with, as usual, 1 to 144 numbers in ascending order, but we should not fill the box whichever the box contains a line, red line, dividing line. So 1, we should start from 1, from this box 1, but we should not fill here. 2, 3, 4, 5. As usually 6 and 7 should not be filled. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 will left empty. 13, 14 will left empty. 15, 16, 17 as usual we should not fill here. 18, 19, 20 as usual we should not fill here. So we can continue and so on. We can continue in this way, and finally the last box, right bottom box, should be filled with 144, but it is occupied with a red line. That is why it should not be filled with 144. So the last number will be 143 here itself in the before box. And now we can fill the remaining boxes, those who have lines, from right bottom to top left. That is a number again 1 to 144. So we should fill 1 here, and 2, 3, 4, 5 we should not fill. We should not use these 4 numbers 2, 3, 4, 5 because these 4 boxes are already filled. So now next number will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 we should leave, and again 12, 13 we should leave, and again 14. That you can understand as usual how that means how we have done in 10 by 10 magic square, in filling 10 by 10 magic square. And now after completion of this we can remove these red lines to avoid confusion, and in this way all boxes are filled with all the numbers. And we can change the color into uniform, that means a single color to avoid confusion. See, there are different colors, black and red. Why black? The black numbers are all the boxes without lines, and all red numbers are with the are filled in boxes with red lines. And now we can make them into uniform color, that is into the black color. And now one step is over. Already one step is over, and there are only 3 more steps to complete our magic square. The second step is take this pattern, take this pattern. This is a mirror image on x-axis. Let it be the x-axis. Of course, it is an x-axis. On x-axis, take a mirror image. Take a mirror image. It is a mirror image of this pattern, and this pattern are having mirror images on x-axis, and we should exchange the boxes or numbers. We should exchange the numbers in a mirror image level. This 8 and 9 replaced by 140 and 141, and vice versa. 21 and 22 will be replaced by 129 and 130, and vice versa. That means 129 and 130 can be written here. 129 and 130 can be written here in place of 21 and 22. And similarly 35 and 36, the boxes, these two boxes having 35 and 36, these two boxes having 35 and 36 replaced by 119 and 120. Similarly 47 and 48 replaced by 107 and 108, and 107 and 108 will be replaced by 47 and 48. That you can understand. So in this way we exchanged all the numbers. See, 119 and 120, actually these two, 119 and 120 are the numbers. These two numbers are from these two boxes, 40, so those having 47 and 48. And now finally, and we can uniform the all the numbers into the black color. We can convert it into black color, the same color. And now already 2 steps over, and now third step. And now what are the numbers we have to exchange on y-axis? Now we have to consider y-axis, only y-axis. This y-axis, on the y-axis, this 2 and 3 will replaced by 10 and 11. That implies, 11 and 10. This 2 will be replaced by 11 and 3 will be replaced by 10, and vice versa. 18 and 19 will be exchanged. 13 and 24 will be exchanged. See, for example, here 2 and 3, and actually in next step 11 will come here, 10 will come here. See, in this way 11 will come here, 10 will come here, and this is the exchange method. We can exchange all the numbers in y-axis mirror image. After that we can uniform the color to avoid confusion. That's all. Already 3 steps over, and now the final step, what numbers we have to exchange? Only these 4 numbers, that is 64 and 81, again on y-axis only, 64 will be replaced by 81 and vice versa. See, 81 will come here, 64 will come here, and this 76 will go here, 69 will come here. Okay, this way. And now we can uniform the colors. Total, we can convert this whole box into single color, that is all black colors. And now finally we can remove even these two lines. Okay, but it is the required magic square. When we add all the numbers in this horizontal line, we can get 870. This also, the sum of all the numbers will be 870. Sum of all vertical boxes also will become 870, and even diagonals 870. So that's all. This is our 12 by 12 magic square. Thanks for watching. I'm Yuva's Lammatha Srinivasa Rao, and please subscribe our channel to get more updates. Thank you so much.